Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today in my kitchen I will show you a veg recipe with cauliflowers and potatoes. You can eat this dish with roti, paratha and puris. It's a breakfast recipe and you can also eat this with rice and dal. So this dish is purely veg without any onions and garlic. So let's check the ingredients needed to make this bhaji. So let's move on to my kitchen. So let's check the ingredients needed to make this bhaji. 1 small cauliflower cut into small pieces, 6 potatoes medium size cut into small dice, 3 green bell peppers cut into small dice, 3 sliced green chilies and 1 tomato diced. So the size of the vegetables will be same, and in the dry spices I require turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt, and tempering will be done in cumin seeds, and I will use white oil. Take a non-stick pan so that you use very less oil. So I have put 1.5 tablespoon of white oil to heat, and the second thing is that you can also use mustard oil. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds adds a nice flavor. So saute this till it is totally tempered. Now add the vegetables one by one. First add cauliflowers and then goes the potatoes and the sliced green chilies. Now without adding salt, just stir this for 2 to 3 minutes. I will add salt later on. If I add salt right now, the vegetables will leave its water and won't be fried properly. So I need that color. So I have to just saute this for 2 to 3 minutes till it changes its color to light brown. So keep on stirring on medium flame. Remember one thing, I am not using any water in this recipe. So it has to be done in a low flame, or slow cooking is the main motto in this one. Now add salt to taste. So mix the salt well with the vegetables and continue to stir. And now after stirring for another 2 minutes, add the bell peppers and the tomato. Mix it well and continue to fry the vegetables. Once the vegetables are half done, then only I will add the dry spices. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Coriander powder aroma goes very well with this bhaji. And as it's a winter time, the cauliflower also has a nice taste to it. So now continue to stir, and I have lowered the heat to 1000. You can also, if you are using a gas stove, you can just lower the flame so that the spices do not burn. Coat the spices well with the vegetables and fry it. Once the vegetables are nicely, it has fried well, now lower the heat to low and just cover the lid. So cover it with a lid and just cook it in its own steam. So this will take 3-4 minutes, but you have to check in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It will leave little oil from the sides, and you can check the vegetables are cooked or not, and always check your seasoning. So if it is not done, then you can cover it again. So you have to continue stirring from time to time so that the vegetables are nicely fried from all sides. See, the potatoes are already cooked, and so are the cauliflowers. So now I'll just take it out in a pan, and the last thing which I will do is garnish it with chopped coriander. Coriander has the nice fresh flavor which goes very well with this bhaji, as here I have used coriander powder also. Make this dish before your meal or your breakfast. It has to be hot and fresh. It tastes better, and you can eat this with roti, paratha, luchi or puri, or even it goes well with dal rice. So if you like my recipe, do try and let me know how it turned up. Do leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and happy cooking.